Recent executive orders and directives are prompting local reaction, especially among our communities, immigrant communities. That includes a directive allowing immigration officials to search sensitive areas like churches, schools, and hospitals. 13 on your side's Jeremiah Brown has reaction from the Catholic Diocese of Grand Rapids.
The vast majority of my clients right now are very worried and are feeling super vulnerable. Lots of people are having to make changes to their daily routines and change things that many of us take for granted, like dropping children off for school, going to places of worship, going to the grocery store. Many people are too afraid to do those things now, so there's a major impact.
The Immigration and Legal Services Office, the Diocese of Grand Rapids, helps people navigate their ways to green cards, work permits, and naturalized citizenship.
Our client population is feeling varying levels of stress, and many houses have mixed immigration statuses in the household, so there are often U.S. citizens, green card holders, and undocumented people all living under the same roof just because of immigration policies.
Nicole Areola is advising her clients to understand their constitutional rights and says many families with mixed immigration statuses are making plans in case they do become separated.
If something happens to them, in the event of one or both caretakers being removed from the family, then there needs to be somebody else who can step in and take care of the children, and so having a power of attorney is helpful for families in that situation. One thing I do recommend right now is that everybody carries on them some type of proof of their immigration status if they have one.
With the Department of Homeland Security now allowing Immigration and Customs Enforcement to conduct searches at places of worship and schools, the Diocese of Grand Rapids says they plan to ask officials to refrain from disrupting Mass, a sacred time for believers.
I just would like people to know that the vast majority of immigrants are here just trying to make a better life for themselves and their families.
And Jeremiah joins us now in the newsroom. Jeremiah, what are officials from the Department of Homeland Security saying about all of this?
Well, Julia, a spokesperson from the DHS said this week the decision empowers ICE and CBP officers to enforce immigration laws. The spokesperson further says the administration will not tie the hands of law enforcement and trust them to use common sense. Julia.
Big story today, Jeremiah. Thank you very much.